So this tutorial is going to be talking you through how to set up a hype cup from the store. That is basically a visual representation of all of the alerts that have happened during the stream, your followers, subscribers, tips, cheers, hosts, raids, even like a community subscriber event. There's multiple. They're all coming in here, this cute little trail of icons. They're all going to fall right into your cup here. And these little tiny icons, they can be changed. You can change them on StreamElements. I'll show you just a quick little how-to, and let's get into it. So we will be using StreamElements for this. So head on over to StreamElements.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one and connect it with your Twitch. From there, you'll want to go over here to this left panel. You'll go to Streaming Tools, My Overlays. If you don't know a whole lot about StreamElements overlays, I would suggest watching some tutorials on your basics. It may be confusing to a beginner. So you want to create a new overlay. Unless you have one you'd already like to go ahead and put it on. I'm going to use the 1080p resolution, and I'm going to hit start. So here's your blank canvas. This is going to be your overlay. So over here on the left, you can click Add Widget, Alerts, Hype Cup. Visualize your cheers, tips, subscribers, followers, and hosts with our Hype Cup. All right, and here's your little basic one that starts with your StreamElements. Now, as I was saying a minute ago about changing the icons, over here on the left, under your settings menu, you can click on your subscribers gear icon, and from there you can change your icon for all these different events. You can do it with your tips and your cheers. Cute. Alright, so to change the actual cup, over here on the left you'll see change cup with the gear. I'll click on that. Here are all the ones that they provide. Over here, underneath all of those, you're going to hit Edit Cup. And there is a cup foreground and a cup background. In the document that you received from the download, there is a left side back and a left side front, and a right side back and a right side front. So you can have a right facing, I know that's contradictory, it's a right facing axolotl, but that's usually because people are going to put it on the left side, where the left facing axolotl is going to be on the right side. You can put them wherever you want, of course. So for your cup foreground, let's do the right facing one, since I already have it uploaded into the StreamElements system. For our cup foreground, we're going to do our right side front, submit. For the cup background, we are going to do right side back. Submit that. Now, another thing that you received in your download is this wireframe axolotl hype cup. Okay, you'll want to open that and copy what's under the right side axolotl wireframe, since that is the one that we're doing. Go ahead and copy that. You want to delete what they have here and paste what was from the document. You're going to submit it. Sometimes the hype cup goes crazy and does circles. I don't understand why it does that. I think it gets caught up on that loading circle. It doesn't load all the way. Sometimes you have to click out of it and then go back in. It's very frustrating. I don't know why it does that. Right side front, right side back. I'm kind of glad I did it just now so you could see how to fix it. And let's try to submit that again. See, now it's not spinning. I don't understand why. But glad you experienced that. Okay, so now that we have our front and our back and our wireframe for our bubble here, let's go ahead and save it. We're going to save it as a test. Save. Now, down here in the bottom left, emulate. you can go ahead and give it a good old testaroo here. And your little icons are going to fall right into his little bubble. Pew, 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 pew. Cute. So from there, if you'd like to change the icons, you can do so. But other than that, you can also move him around, determine where you want to put him. You can change the scale of him. You can make him smaller. You can make him bigger. You can even change the opacity. StreamElements has a lot of different things you can change with your Hype Cup over here. You can show event messages so that whenever your event happens, it's almost like an alert, but then it's going to drop that little icon down into your Hype Cup. Oh, I don't know why that didn't work. All right, I want to turn that off though, because it's cuter without it. I think so. You might not. Okay, so from there, if you're not familiar with StreamElements, in the top right, we already saved it. Let's just save it again, just to be safe. But there's a link icon right here to the left of preview. You'll want to copy that. That's going to copy the URL to this overlay here. Okay, so then we're going to go back to here come all of our tests. We're going to come back to our OBS on your source. So we have our scene here. We're going to create a new source, which is going to be browser. It should be the third from the top if you're using OBS. Third from the top, browser. And then you're in the URL, you're going to paste what you just copied. Make sure to change your width to 1920 by 1080. Or, whatever your resolution is. And then hit OK. Give it a second. And our little guy's going to pop up. Let me go ahead and hide the other one. So there's the one we just created together. I'm going to go back over to StreamElements and just move them around a little bit. And so you can see that. Don't forget to save it. Always have to save or it won't update in your OBS. So we can make them a little bit bigger, and I'm going to save it. Let's move them to the left, save it, and there you go. You can also, if it's the only thing that's on your source, you can go ahead and just grab your source in OBS and move him to wherever you would like him to be. So let's just try him right there. And that's it. That's how you get the little guy to work. And there you go. I hope that helped. Thank you so much. Bye.